Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today we're standing next to the 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. This is a very nicely equipped boat with teak decking throughout, underwater lighting, rear grill and cook station, audio speakers throughout the boat, including the rear swim platform. Full sunshade that covers just about the whole swim platform, so you can fold that away with a touch of a button. Moving on board here, we've currently got this set up to the full sun lounger area. Plenty of room for multiple people. Pull these cushions up, lift the table, and then you've got a nice dinette area for entertaining in the evening. To port side of the helm, you've got a nice rearward facing sun lounger as well, right below the skylight opening in the Coupe hardtop. Moving back to your helm seat, you've got a double helm seat that's fully convertible and twists 180 degrees, so you can be part of the rest of the party at night. All your controls, including your Simrad chart plotter and fish finder, are conveniently located with the helm, as well as your dual throttles and even a bow thruster on this boat, making it super easy to dock this and maneuver in any kind of wind or tide situation. Let's walk downstairs here and see what the rest of the cabin has to offer. So here we are downstairs in the cabin of our 35 Sundancer. We've got plenty of room down here for a long weekend or an extended getaway. You've got sleeping comfortably for 6 people. Our primary bed is forward in the V berth there, giving you lots of room and full length. Moving back, we've got a full height closet that gives you room to actually hang your clothes up. Lots of storage space, a TV for entertainment, more seating below. One of the most impressive things to me on this boat is the size of this head. And not only do you have a nice size head on here, but it's got a separate shower, so it's not a full wet head. Not something you see on boats of this size typically. Moving aft, we've got a great lounging area, entertaining area that also folds out into a large bed with just the pull of that strap right there. On the starboard side, we've got a great kitchenette area, nice faucets, nice finishes everywhere you look, double burner stove, microwave above, and even a refrigerator below, making the second refrigerator on this boat. And then our dining area also converts into another large bed, making the 6 people that can sleep down here. That's the full walkthrough of this 350 Dancer. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My cell phone's listed here for a reason. I'm available anytime. Call, text, or email. I'm happy to help.